the blue fescue. Hello friends. In today's video, we're going to explore and introduce a beautiful and popular plant for green spaces, the blue fescue or Festuca glauca. This plant is a favorite among gardening enthusiasts due to its attractive appearance and easy maintenance. Let's take a closer look at this plant. Introduction to blue fescue. Blue fescue is a perennial grass known for its fine, needle-like leaves that are a striking blue-gray color. It belongs to the Poaceae family and is native to temperate and mountainous regions of Europe. Characteristics of blue fescue. 1. Slow and low growth. This plant grows slowly and typically reaches a height of about 20 to 30 centimeters, 8 to 12 inches. 2. Blue-gray leaves. The unique color of its leaves adds a distinctive charm to your garden. 3. Small and sparse flowers. Blue fescue produces small flowers in the summer, which are attractive but not as prominent as its leaves. This plant possesses significant nutritional and medicinal properties. The fruits of blue fescue contain a substantial amount of vitamin C, minerals such as iron, calcium, and manganese, and phytochemical compounds like anthocyanins and flavonoids. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Given its numerous benefits, blue fescue is a popular medicinal plant and a healthy addition to many people's diets. Now let's learn about the care methods for blue fescue. Care requirements. 1. Light. This plant thrives in full sunlight but can tolerate partial shade. 2. Soil. Blue fescue prefers well-drained, light soils. It is also resistant to poor and dry soils. 3. Water. It requires moderate watering and can withstand short periods of drought. Regular watering is needed during dry spells. 4. Temperature. Blue fescue is hardy and can withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Uses in garden design. One. Small spaces and borders. Due to its small size and slow growth, it is ideal for small spaces and border gardens. 2. Modern design. The blue-gray leaves complement modern and minimalist designs well. Combining with other plants. You can combine blue fescue with other perennials and ornamental grasses to create a beautiful and diverse display. Additional care tips. 1. Pruning to maintain its neat and attractive shape. Prune the dry and old leaves annually. 2. Division every few years. You can divide the clumps to propagate and encourage better growth. Blue fescue is an excellent choice for those looking for a beautiful, resilient, and low-maintenance plant for their garden or green space. With the right care, this plant can add charm and attractiveness to your space. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or experiences with caring for this plant, please share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Until the next video, goodbye.